Good snowy morning. We are going to be warm today, so all this snow will sadly melt. But today is going to be a busy day on the farm. You can see I have a table right behind me right now. So it's exciting because we have been doing the homesteading thing about 8 years now. And today we've made it to the point where I don't have to buy any meat from the grocery store. We raise all of our own chicken here. We raise all of our own pork here. We do raise cattle here, although it's a newer venture for us and we are not at the point where we have raised it for beef consumption. That's a few years from now. We've had a local farmer raise us a cow and the meat is coming today. So I thought that I would take you guys along for the process. Okay, so here we go. I chose to do a stand-up deep freezer because it is a lot harder for me to climb down into the chest freezers. Hello, baby cat. And so this is what a 16 cubic foot deep freezer looks like. Let's see how much of the cow fits in here. Okay, so the first box I'm unpacking is our ground beef. I had everything cut, or not cut, but processed into 2-pound packages because I feed 7 people every night, so 1 pound is just not enough. So let's count how many we have of these. Start on the ground beef. Try to stand it up. Ooh, this looks good. This is a beef shoulder roast. We had it cut into 3-pound sections. No, no, no. No, no, no. Okay. No, no, no. You can't get in there. No, no. You cannot get in there. No. More beef bones. Ooh, beef bones for stock. Yes. Uh-oh, had the door open too long. Beep, beep, beep. So all in all, we got about 60 pounds of ground beef. I am so excited about that. And I didn't count specifically, but just a lot of steaks, a lot of roast, a lot of beef bones to make yummy broth with. What do we have down here? This is, oh, we have beef stew meat as well. And this is beef bone chuck and steak. We had them all packaged in 2 steaks so we could, take out a good quantity of what we need and not take out too much. More beef stew. Looks great. Can't wait to have some. So all in all, we are really excited to start eating this. We did get to try some beef from this farmer before we purchased this cow, so we know that it's really good. And we're gonna have some hamburgers tonight. Thanks for joining me today.